Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So, dear fans, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Yawn. So, the official website is yawnsworld.com, and I have placed link in my video description. So, in this video, I will tell you how can you buy it, you can stake and make a lot of passive income, and its store has now launched, and you can also shop there as well. So first of all, here we can also learn about Yon. So meet Yon, the sleepiest member of the group. He was so deep in slumber that the missed the invitations to join boys club. So a regret he is carried ever since. So determined to rise above Yon is now launching his own ventures with Yon's token, the world first meme token that enables holder to earn profit from business and service development under the Yon's brand. The mission is to make your household name, fostering community, and that amplify your brand influencers. So it's Yon's world you are just living in at well. Here we can also learn about the story behind this project. So dear friends, you can also read out thoroughly and understand more about this project as well. Now here we can also check out the token mix. So dear fans, here you can also check that 8 billion total supply, and there is a 0% tax on buy and sell. 80% reserved for the liquidity lock for 365 days with 75k dollar Ethereum match. 10% time locked 90 days development for fund, and 5% time locked 60 days marketing fund, and 5% listing centralized listing fund as well. So plan to build an ecosystem that returns profit to holder. There is no tax, and the time locked funds release on a daily schedule. So any fund that earns use will go to liquidity burn or added to the stacking pool, and here you can also check out its contract address as well. Now here we can also check out the roadmap. So dear fans, in phase 1 they have included e-commerce launch, in phase 2 NFT integrations and expansions, in phase 3 innovative technology implementation, in phase 4 gaming and DAO evolutions are including as well. Now the question is that how to buy Yon. First of all, you need to create a wallet. You can choose your MetaMask or any other wallet. You need to buy some Ethereum. Go to the Uniswap and swap with Yons as well. So first of all, go to the Queen Market Cap, and here you can also check out its current price and price analyze as well. So you can also check out the market cap and total 24-hour volumes detail. Now you can also check out it is also available on the Uniswap Maxi Global Exchange. You can also trade there as well. So first come on the Uniswap, and here you can also import Yon token, and then you need to put your amount how much you want to be spent. So if you want to be spent 0.2, then you will check how much Yon you can get here as well. So this is a golden chance to connect your wallet right now. You can also choose any wallet in which you have your some Ethereum, and then you can swap it and hold it and later sold and make a lot of passive income. So dear friends, it is also available on Maxi Global Exchange. I have also placed link in my video description. Here you can also check out with USDT pair. You can also check out the 24-hour volume, as well as you can also check that it is ready to make a bullish and the candle is green, and it is your great time to make a plan and buy it right now. It can really help to make a lot of profit as well. Now you buy it, and if you want to be check on the DEX tool, here you can also check out its market cap to liquidity and much more detail. Here you can also check out its score. It is very pretty good, and well you can buy from here as well. Now move on and check out how can you buy its store. Hey, welcome to the Yon shop, the most exclusive merch and supplement that Yon's credit himself. Here you can also shop right now. You can also connect your wallet, and you can also check out some memes related to Yon's as well. Here are some bestseller, and you can also check the advanced sleep and creating many things. Here you can also check out with their price, and you can also buy it right now. Here are some reviews of what the boys say about Yons. You can also check out their everything here as well. Now if you want to be stack and make a lot of passive income, you can come on the stack.yonsworld.com and find out link in my video description. Here you can also check out the earn Yon by stacking total rewards, and now you can also stack your Yons to participate in profit sharing from the entire Yons ecosystem. Rewards are issued daily base as well. First you need to connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask or any other wallet in which you have your Yons token, and then you can easily stack here and make passive income. So dear friends, you can also choose Tired for 15 days lockup with 400 minimum dollars yawns, as well as the Sleepy for 15 days, and here are required $1000 yawns. And if you want to pay choose exorcist, you need to pay 3000 minimum dollars of the yawns. Here you can also connect your wallet and right now stack and make a lot of passive income as well. Here you will check out your stack and rewards details. So once you stack, you make passive income. So dear fans, this project is ordered by the Cyberscope and you can also participate, and without hesitation it is secure and reliable and you can make a lot of passive income as well. I also recommended to all of you must be joined its Telegram to get latest news and updates, as well as I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. So this is an awesome project that have a massive cash-flow inside and it can really help to make a lot of passive income. So don't miss this golden chance and must be joined it right now. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.